Hey guys, so today we are going to be making slime. The gel slime, I'm sorry, that one didn't work out. So, we are going to be walking to Walmart looking for glue. And, yeah. Dad, are you going to get the basket?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go. Let me grab one of those. Okay.
My hair's sticking out. I don't know. Yes. Okay guys, when I get home, subscribe to the video, and this time's gonna work. And this new glue, sorry.
Can you sit in the basket for that? You ready?
Where's my basket?
It's in your car.
So where are we going first?
I need one of those for your goodness. Yeah, all right. I should be on cover.
Well,
All right,
that took us a while. So we're in a big Walmart. So what are we getting first?
we're gonna make a meatloaf tonight, so
Gonna get meat first.
we gotta get parsley. We gotta get a few things.
Okay. I'm freezing. Daddy. Daddy, I'm cold.
You go.
Yes, sir.
Oh man, okay. Daddy gonna hurry up, okay? Get some lunch ready.
Dad, wait. What exactly are you looking for?
I'm looking for parsley, but I don't think they got it. That's the lunch ready.
It's freezing over here. Got short sleeves, shorts. Daddy.
Yes.
Cold.
Daddy, I'm
One. Guys, comment down below if this area is cold when you're wearing shorts. It's cold.
No, it is, right?
It's very cold. Well, guys, we are getting food first. And I don't know how to pause the video and then unpause it. I don't know how to do that, guys. So, since y'all didn't really see the lane, I'll show you. Comment down below if this place over here, like this cold place over here, is cold. There's my sister, and then that's my dad.
We need to get some onions.
Onion.
Come on, fast, let's go this way.
Okay. Oh, this. I thought you said you were going this way. I thought you said we were going this way.
We were at first. It's like traffic jams. Excuse me.
It is a traffic jam in this Walmart. There's a lot of Walmarts that have a lot of jams. But what I mean by that is when
Excuse me, I'm
like,
sorry about that.
there's a whole bunch of baskets and people are trying to get through. They're just going the opposite way. And then, yeah, you bump in and you have to figure out a way to get out. So, yeah. Guys, comment down below. Tell me what those are. Right now we are in the meat section.
I don't like that.
So much meat to choose from.
I don't like
Well, we're eating meatloaf, so we might get this meat or this. That one. I don't know. I don't know how to cook meatloaf. That's my dad right here. That's the man who knows how to cook meatloaf. So is my mom. But my mom normally cooks the meat. And my dad normally cooks the meat, so it's normally both.
I like it a lot.
Daddy, get me out of this section. It's so cold.
All right, we're about to get out of this section.
Freezing. What do you mean we're about to? We need to.
Freezing?
Please. This is not cold.
Dad, what are we getting over here?
Stay right here.
Okay. Guys, today we might be eating.
Stop.
Today we might be eating ice cream. I and my dad, ice cream and cookies. But we'll see.
That's not for the chicken. Daddy.
Sorry about that. Go ahead, brother.
Again, if this is 7 hours, I don't know. This is 9:50.
All right, come on.
No, this is 7 minutes. Okay, good. That's good.
You make a 7-minute long video.
Daddy,
It's got to be funny.
I know.
It ain't funny.
Daddy, be
It's gotta
quiet.
be funny or it's something
Daddy.
entertaining.
I know.
That's how you get viewers' attention.
I know.
I know. I know you know you're smart.
But what exactly? Well, guys,
Yes, baby.
JoJo
We
Swift
need to
is
get
my
what?
favorite.
Dad.
Your song
What?
all the time.
Because that's good for the dog food.
That's for
All the
dog
girls
food.
out there too.
Yeah.
I like you too.
We need to get that.
But don't worry, I'll go end up watching
That's,
every video.
that's good for the
A
dog
lot.
food.
Oh, good.
What are we looking for again?
Let me see my phone actually.
Okay.
That's why your mama said we got cornbread.
Okay, I'm just gonna make another video.